Caramel Screen Dinner, aka Miss Success, and here we are in video number 10 of our most frequently asked questions about Empower Network. So let me answer one question really quick that really has nothing to do with Empower. It kind of does and it doesn't. People keep asking me what is written on this sign that I have over here. Okay, so let me just show you. This is my motivator. This is my daily motivator. So it says, let's go, Kara Superstar. Today's goals, be a world-class leader, think bigger, change more lives, never lives. Clocks might stop, but time won't wait. Time to take massive action now. Get stuff done. Screw the naysayers, love the haters. Hashtag team no excuses, get money, and no excuses. Okay, so that's what my sign says. This is what helps to keep me motivated. And I see it every day, and I get ready to work, and I sit down at the desk and get ready to work, and boom, it's right there in my face. And then I change it up and write whatever. But anyway, so that's what that is. Okay, so here is question number 10, which is a really, really, really good question. Okay, here it is. Do I have to be all in to really make any money? Okay, so if you have been following Empower Network, or you've seen us on Facebook, or you've gone and watched the video, and you may hear a lot of people say, get all in, just get all in. And you're thinking, okay, I watch the videos, I understand that all in means that I actually own all the products, so that I have the right to resell all those products. But I don't have the money to get all in right now. That's totally okay. Listen, I'm going to encourage you that if you can get all in, get all in. And get all in as soon as possible, because that's where you're going to be able to start earning all the way up to those $3,000 commissions, because you have to own the products before you can sell them. Well, that kind of makes sense. I mean, think of it like a store. You can't have a store. You can't say, okay, well, I sell milk, bread, eggs, and cheese, but you haven't purchased any milk, bread, eggs, and cheese, and you expect people to pay for milk, eggs, bread, and cheese and give you the money when you don't have the product. So it's pretty much the same concept. That's probably the simplest way I can break it down. But you absolutely do not have to be all in to get started. Get started today, right now. Pull out your credit card. Get started at the $25 level. The reason for that is once you get started, there's something that happens. You start to build momentum. You get that first sale, and it's like, wow, I just really actually made money on the internet. I know that's how it was for me, and that's how it is for so many people. I started at the $25 level because like I said, I was brand new. I didn't know anything about it. I didn't know how it worked, if it would work, whatever. So I started at the $25 level, boom. I quickly moved up to Inner Circle, which is what most people do. So what happened was the person that's my sponsor, they just made $125 because I signed up. Imagine that. And then I brought, the next product, and the next product, the next product, etc., etc. Okay, so you get it. The people did the same thing. They watched the videos that I put out. I got people to the call. Same exact methods that we're going to teach you is the same thing I did. Now, here's the thing that I want you to really keep in mind. There's a saying, the expert at anything was once a beginner. And that is true. Even think about the best basketball player, football player, Oprah, Bill Gates, whoever. They all had to start somewhere. They didn't start out being experts. They started out as beginners. So it's perfectly fine if you start out as a beginner. If you're a little more advanced, if you already, are into network marketing, if you're already online, if you already understand, then you're going to want to start at the all-in level and get going as quickly as possible. Wherever you are is fine. Just get started. That momentum will build. You'll start to make sales. You'll start a big income disclosure, big obvious income disclosure. It's up to you how much money you make, how much you work, how much you plug in and are coachable and things like that. But you absolutely can start today, right now. Pull out your credit card, pay the $25, get started, let's go. You can absolutely do this. And you're going to plug in, you're going to be on the team with me, you're going to be on the prosperity team, which is an awesome, awesome team. And I'm going to do a couple of videos this kind of telling you what the advantages of being on the Prosperity Team are, along with the fact that joining Empower Network and being a part of the Prosperity Team, you get thousands of dollars worth of additional bonuses just for being on our team. Okay, you guys, so that is your top 10 most frequently asked questions about Empower Network, and there's tons of other questions. People have a lot of questions. If something wasn't answered here, then look out, because I'm going to do some more videos, but that is your top 10. Okay, you guys have a great day, and again, connect with me, Carol Wells Crittenton.